Today I've been planting a tree fern, the nice chunky one you can see in the middle there. In order to do this, if you look behind, you'll see the one I had to move out to get it in. I was going to put the new one that side in the bed that side, but in all honesty it wouldn't have had room to get his crow's ears out. So if you look carefully, you'll see I've staked it either side with a bungee just holding it together. The reason for doing this is because I didn't want to plant too much in the ground. In the past, when I planted them, I've planted 6 inches, 8 inches in the ground. It's really not necessary, I've discovered. 4 to 5 inches is the very most you need to go in, and actually with the price of them now, the least you can go in the better. So put them in, they'll still root lovely, couple of stakes either side, job done. Well, I say job done, believe me, it was heavy to get in. We just have a quick look at the other one. It's now in the ground. It's got a prop against it to stop it coming over. Where I previously had it, it was in the ground for 8 months, I would imagine, before I've now moved it. And it nicely rooted and the prop was out, so hopefully within another 6 to 8 months it'll get its roots down again at that angle. I'll be able to remove the prop and it will support itself. So now I have 3 tree ferns. Call it a grove, call it what you like. I've placed them under the canopy of the big cedar tree, and putting them all close together, those should be easy to water. Just bring the hose up occasionally, give them a good wetting. So that's it for planting the tree fern. See you soon.